Hello, YouTube. Let's get it started. Wait a little bit longer for everyone to trickle in. Then we'll get it started. Hey, what's up, Joe? How you? A nice order block down here in a 15-minute. Let's start of the day. Day really close shitty. This one's pushing up. I want to see. It's not really giving me a sign of what it wants to do. It's another not cool move. So let's see. We got news on Friday. No news on Thursday, really. So Just keep that in mind, guys, if you're taking trades. Don't not try and force nothing. Got a 6-hour order block down here that never got tested but once. Another one sitting up here, but that one broke here. I don't really know. I'm not really, nothing's telling me a setup yet, so I'm just gonna wait and see for a little bit, see how price keeps moving. Because I think we are definitely gonna come down. What's that order block there? This is on this. Keep that one alive. Only tapped into it right here a few times. See if we can tap in. Yeah, 17, 18, 17. Let's see if we can get there. This 15-minute order block here. It's a kind of tight range. I don't know if I'm gonna really like this one because it is so tight here. What's this range? Fucking. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that, but let's see. It's 40 pips. It's the only thing I was thinking we was gonna get. I was just telling, right before I started the stream, I was telling Max that shit, the way price action looks, it's damn. Hey Sasha.
Hey Mitch, good morning.
Good morning. So yeah, I mean, I just want to see what price is gonna do. I do have this order block here. I would like to see us get into, but I'd rather buy into that. So let's see. You on your way to work?
Yeah, I'm on my way back home. 5 minutes.
Oh. No, we did not. Well, I didn't.
Why?
Catch the push. Yeah, someone asked if we caught the push.
Oh, no, I was at work. Could not look at
When do you sleep?
it. It's a good question.
Cause I was thinking about it, and you were like on the stream until like 11 o'clock this morning or at night, and then you posted something at like 3 in the morning.
Yeah, it was late because I was studying first, and then I went to sleep around 3-ish, but I woke up in like 1 or 2 hours, and then I just took a nap. So I had to go to my hospital for my hours in the ER. So today it was my duty in the emergency. So I just spent some time there. It was a bit quieter. So I didn't do much, but I had to fulfill my hours and study a bit more there. And then I was extremely sleepy. Now I'm back. So I think after 9 o'clock candle, I'm going to go to sleep.
Yeah, because I was like, man, you never sleep. And you're always talking about Michelle.
Oh, yeah. But with hours, work hours, it's sometimes like that. But I do have to go like 4 days, so it's not too bad.
Yeah. So what time did you go to work? Because it's 9:42 now. Or 8:42 now.
Yeah, 8:42. Because my ER hour, those are my ER hours. So in emergency room, it's open to
Oh,
8:40.
yeah, so you went early in the morning. I see.
Went there earlier, and then
Yeah. So it must be nice or quieter now that with coronavirus, no one could go anywhere and get hurt.
yeah, it was very quiet. So nothing much, no accidents or anything that we usually get there. But,
15 minutes. I want us to come down to the next to push up. Maybe tap into this 15-minute order block, sitting at 1813 to 1812 area. 1813
thinking that
4.
it's going to be, there is no news today, right? Until
Friday.
there was somebody speaking today?
I thought that was Friday. I'm checking it right now. Oh yeah, we do have news today. We got unemployment claims, and then 2 members speak tomorrow. But unemployment claims, I don't know if they're really gonna affect it. It's not a whole big shift. I mean, they are expecting less, but not by much, by 9,000 or 9 million or whatever.
And it's an orange folder anyway, so there could be a little bit, but not a lot.
But we'll see. I guess today will show us what's happening then. If we get a push in Asian, I guess we could expect a push in.
Yeah, I want it to push downward towards at least it equals 6 at 7, or even, I mean, a bit lower, so that with the news tomorrow, it can just fly and take us all to 1830 again.
Yeah, I want to see. I mean, because it's been a long time since we came here. The last time we were here was August 4th. Last time we were in 1830s. And we ranged, then we dropped, then we came back to see her real quick and left it and never. So Joho said, don't focus on trading while you are in the emergency room. Health sector is is critical.
Unless there's an emergency trade that needs to be made.
Yeah, see now, Max. Now Like if you got to go during FOMC or something.
Exactly.
When ER is quieter, that's when we, like us, the new doctors are there mostly, and there's usually one doctor on duty, and he is mostly sleeping. Then there's nothing happening.
Yeah, that's crazy. That y'all spend y'all time in that emergency room all the time. I give y'all the props because I ain't got that to do.
In test and here in Australia, it's a bit different because it's by the government healthcare center, so that's why there are long huge queues and waiting time during the day, and especially if it's a flu season or something like that.
Well, I don't know. Here, the emergency room's terrible.
What bothers you there the most, right?
The fact that there'd be like a kid bleeding profusely next to me and he's sitting next to me. You go to people, their heads are bleeding and they still are sitting there. And then you got people that go there just to get drugs or to get high or to because they have a cold and it's just an aggravating thing. I stay away from hospitals.
Everybody wants to stay away from the hospital, and it's a good thing. You should stay, be healthy now, get your white cells working, unless and until it's a situation that you're in.
So I'm thinking really like 13.
Exactly.
What happened?
No, I was saying on one side it's sunny, one side it's cloudy, and it's already started to rain again. It's raining.
How long isn't your rain season coming to an end?
Because now winter is ending. Now we're already almost about to start spring.
Y'all get spring and winter over there?
It's September.
Yeah, y'all don't get winters.
I know, it's a bit different. It took me some time to get used to it. I'm still not used to it.
Hey Jay. Did we take buys? No, I did not get in there. It had already left by the time I set up my everything and got here. Max, someone's asking for your gold analysis, but I know where we're going.
What was that?
Someone was asking for your gold analysis.
You know my analysis.
I know it. I know where you're taking it.
I have no idea where it's going.
Now you gave me that magic number, and now every time someone asks, that's where we're going.
I got a good trade yesterday though on a short and then a long when it hit 1809. That was good, and it hit exactly on my line that I had marked up for it, and then took it back up. But this morning, it's anything is possible. It's at 1450.
Hey, never say never. America could start a war right now.
Yeah, that's true. They're having a war amongst themselves.
Maybe not so just like right now, because our commander-in-chief's a little sleepy. But as soon as he gets up and remembers, could possibly be in the war.
Yeah, remember where he is first. That's so why when I get up in the morning.
No, not 1480, 1450.
50.
But first we're going to 2000, then we're going to 1450.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, I think I like this one better. These are my M's and my W's.
I should always preface my calls with I'm a pessimist, so I just can't see it. I can't see the upside.
Mitch, did you make your post about M's and W's yourself?
What, that one? Yeah.
That was amazing. Do you know that? I found it so cool.
What the hell is this used for?
What's that?
It's the way of the... I don't know, it's a curve, but I don't know how...
It's a moon orbit?
It's how price is gonna go. It's gonna come around and back down.
Oh God help.
I don't know, I was just looking at the tools to play with them. Max, did you take GJ cells today?
I haven't looked at GJ for yonks for a long time.
I'm going to start looking at GJ
I don't even have it open.
as a second pair.
At
Do you
GJ?
look at do you look at GJ?
No.
I don't, but I want another second pair. So I was asking Sami, he's like, okay, we can look at GJ. It's a good one, and that's too slow. Very slow.
Oh, look, I made it work. Bam, this is what the triangle's for. Guys, if you didn't know,
Compression.
you put it
Oh, perfect. Maybe that.
you put it on one candle and just keep playing with it until it fits how you want it, and then it works.
Automatically.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
So this is wouldn't that be a pennant, right? else can we play with while we wait? We got 4 minutes. What the hell is this? The trajectory.
The same one?
No, this is that.
Oh, wow. Oh, I know. Some harmonics and butterfly and back to the one I was telling you earlier. Remember?
Oh, that's what it's for? Oh.
Yeah, I think it's like that. I never got into that to figure it out. Why did I choose?
Oh, they got a head and shoulders? Ooh, trippy. I don't know what I'm doing, but so let's see if this works.
No. But you made it quite terribly. It's clear your chart. Stop playing around. 3 minutes for me to stop.
Oh, there we go.
Why are we moving in a small channel on 5 minutes upwards?
On the 5 minute?
No, taking it up and down. Yeah, you see?
Yeah,
Previous
it's right.
one was
We're coming
this
up.
one. The previous one was higher than. So this one is higher.
I love you.
And
No.
lower low or equal high? I don't know. I mean, sorry, equal high or. And then what's there? Squeeze in and check. Higher high? Lower high? Yeah. So the poly tool that we usually have.
The
And
poly
even
tool?
further. Oh, here. So if we take it like that or something, I don't know. Yeah, Mitch, look at it. It is not making a lower low. Only, no, lower highs are there, not lower low. So one lower high, second, then fourth. I want it to come down. There must be a bigger channel. We can figure it out. Oh, last night I was shooting here, right here, when you left, Mitch. It did come down. You left here,
Yeah.
and after a few minutes, it gave me this.
Yeah, my TP got hit here.
Oh, you were in cells when you left?
Yeah, I was in cells the whole time. I had a sell and a
You're
buy.
just not trading after 11:30.
No, I didn't. I was sitting there trading with you, and then when I left, I just set my my TPs and walked away.
Nice.
Here we go. Here we go.
Okay. Need candles.
And I did set a stop loss on those too.
What bell is that?
It's every time someone comes in, cause I be sitting here and I don't be paying attention to the screen, so I put it on to make sure I could hear when people came in.
For Zoom. Is it the Zoom doorbell?
It's the Zoom bell.
Interesting.
Already at 90 pips.
Hello.
You got in on that?
Yeah, I'm at 90 pips. Are you?
No, you left me behind. You didn't tell me we were flipping the coin.
Where is the 90?
everybody?
Where is your 90 pip move? From where to where? From right to left?
Yes, it's pretty much it. You know what is moving though? The US 30's a little bit on the move over here. That's kind of it. Yeah, I don't know why.
Alrighty. Right. You in Salesforce?
No, it didn't give me a chance to actually get in.
Because it's gonna push up again.
I wanted to to push up just a little bit higher than that.
Or a lot higher?
No, like literally just a little. I wanted to break these wicks here.
And why are we thinking sells?
Maybe think.
Because I want to take a sell to buy.
Mitch, can you go to M15 and then draw that if you were drawing earlier?
Which one? What do you want me to? Which one? This one?
The triangle. Take it down. Maybe made it here. And tell me what we're doing. They've squeezed the price. It's gonna break one way and then go the other. Be careful.
Or would it come? No, it's got to go up here.
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Got it right. You are having some nice tools.
See, because I was playing. That's what happens when price.
What is this? Is this called? Some animal does like that, like a dragon type of thing. No, a mouse. Yeah, and we draw the ear. How do you draw a
AJ.
mouse?
Yeah,
Is
see?
AJ there?
Or it's a mouse.
Yeah, it's a mouse wrapped. And then
Yeah, I'm
you
here.
have
AJ, remind me, is it off of the W0 or the 00, or is it 25 pips then?
No, it's off the W. It's off the 0.
Okay, thanks. I threw away my instructions.
What was that code language, Michelle, you just used?
Double zeros. 007. She's a 007. That's what it's.
This is some code language they're talking.
Sounds
AJ, I
like.
didn't
No, it's
hear
not. No, it's not.
that. What is it?
Michelle's the
AJ,
mastermind
who's Sarah?
behind
Tell me
Finway.
about it.
Well, I
Michelle's the
haven't-
mastermind behind it.
I haven't tested these theories, so I don't know yet. But I'm
Yeah, but
starting
she's the
to test it.
mastermind.
Sasha, I'll let you in on it.
What?
If it goes up, get in it to go up, and if it goes down, then get in it to go down.
Check you out. Oh.
Pretty much what AJ taught me.
Intelligent analysis. If it goes down, get in. If it goes down, get in.
Because right now I feel like we're in the middle of everything. Like there's no clear direction.
Exactly my point.
We basically just consolidated.
You got it.
So yeah, I'll be back.
Which I don't know what it means, but I got this picture. It's a funny one. I'm gonna
Ooh,
take
that's
it
the one I wanted.
to push it out.
No, man. Even if it don't stay long, or I don't stay long.
People trade this. I told you. Check on your WhatsApp, the butterfly or something like that, on your USD. AJ, what do you see? Please guide us through.
Oh no, I'm see you Monday. Praise hasn't done anything all week, really. So
Looks like market is going to be slow today. Just take a sell and let it drop till the bottom. and then with NFP tomorrow we go up. How's my plan?
An amazing
good.
analysis.
Thank you.
Oh,
What in the hell? Yeah, but what does that actually mean?
I got no clue. I never studied that. Remember those butterfly type of thing I was talking about there?
Yeah, that's what that is.
the harmonics.
And yes, harmonics. I think the butterfly bat and
Fuck
all of
your
that.
head is over that shit.
I saw a picture on making
Fuck
fun
your
of
head
it
over
on
that shit. Don't even look at it. Don't even waste your time with it.
Instagram. But it's funny they find animals on
Don't
Mars.
waste your time with that shit. Trust me.
They're not studying it. Being fun.
Don't even look at it.
Did you study that too?
Yes, I studied all that bullshit.
Oh, shoot, that must have boggled your mind.
All that shit, all in the garbage can, recycled.
I'm telling you, we should be selling.
Does Price know that?
Where are you M's and W's make those?
Because I hear you keep saying that we're supposed to be selling, but Price isn't listening.
No, not. I mean, I was waiting for it to push up so that we can sell.
Yeah, I know. I got 2 positions already.
Oh, you did already? No, I haven't. Yeah, sure.
I took one on the break of here, and then I took one up here.
I'll take it when AJ says I took it.
AJ's already in it.
No, without me.
Sure.
You hear that? I took it too.
What do you guys think?
AJ, what?
What do you guys think?
I took it because you were in it according to it.
What do you guys think?
Well,
Fellas, I'm gonna buy.
whatever.
And I'm profit.
And you would be, of course, one tip program. The last move up was nice from 1782. No, 1782-ish area to. But after that, we were just doing nothing. Sorry, 1785 to all the way 1820. Wow. That was a good move. After that, nothing. I'm bored.
Let's go. And profit. One tip.
AJ, did you ever try to hedge?
Yeah, bro.
Does it work?
Hmm.
Okay, so I did it one time when the price was in the opposite direction to mine. So, for example, I took a sell here and then it started going upward. So, where I had to put my stop loss, I put a buy order there and then I bought it from there. And I secured
Let's go.
when, yeah, and bought in double. So if I got one lot here, I got two lots here. When it comes here, I was in positive a little bit, and then I closed the whole thing without a loss. How's that?
Pretty sick.
And then I don't have to I don't have to go in the opposite direction
But
70
what if
pips.
you bought and then what if you bought and then no one got?
You should be able to do it
Let's
wisely
go.
if in case I'm still
No,
not
because
a
you put
pro.
your stop loss where your buy stop loss, right?
Okay.
So if your stop loss got activated, then you get your stop loss got deleted, like your trade lost, and then you activated the buy stop. What if from there it goes down?
Yeah,
Then
that's what I
you lost both trades.
no. Then I'll buy even more of sell so that it's balanced 2 and 2. And no loss there.
That's what they call martingale, and
What?
it'll lose eventually.
Really?
There are EAs
How
that
do
trade like that.
how
Yeah.
those hedging funds trade? I don't know that.
You want an actual real bot that works, like a real EA with a system and all that bullshit. You have to pay at least like 10K, 10, 20K minimum, and that's like a fairly decent one.
To buy one or to make one?
You can make one. I have one.
How much you gonna
Is it
sell it
working?
for? Your students get access to it?
Yeah.
Mitch cannot have it.
You're on my store.
Shit, I might pay him just to use it.
We will give you free trials, AJ, and your data.
Free trials. I already trialed it. What do you mean?
How many positive and negative? We endorse you. Come on.
I have one account that started, I would say, October 2020. October 2020? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
End of
Oh,
October, end of 2020.
So someone said, always risk double. Joho said this. After 16 times, you have 99% of chance of being in profits.
That's Moringa.
Let's
Right,
go.
literally.
Keep pushing.
Where are you taking us? Which way? Pushing which way?
We're going up.
Oh, I'm looking at my MetaTrader.
Hmm.
My MetaTrader's
Yeah.
faster than this candle.
We're going up.
I see 3 5-minute bullish candles. And now the fourth.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. Are we out of that triangle type of thing?
We're working up on this in a little bit.
Oh, Vishal didn't flip the coin. Come on, Mitch. Are we going to 16, 17? Mitch, when the price went to 20, 18, 20 yesterday, can you just go a little bit, squeeze the price so that I can see that top? Maybe squeeze it a bit. People, yeah, that's it. People were asking me, why did we sell here? Now tell them, it's so obvious. Oh, I have like 3-4 people asking me,
Oh,
why did we sell?
there was like every confirmation told me to sell there. Every confluence, every.
And I was like, what else do you want?
I mean, that is literally serving it on a dinner plate and just handing it to you.
Exactly. All you gotta do is just enter and look at the price right at the level. 20.
Yeah.
So sitting there and trying to drop, trying its best to drop.
Come on, what the hell's going on? You're supposed to be dropping. You're supposed to be making your fucking leg for your M. And not a sideways SW.
Like, is this a W?
I hope not, because let's see, we got the W here, then our M. I mean, it could be the W, but I don't really see the M in here. Because I see this W here.
In any case, it should come down and more W. Slow price action. Nothing's gonna happen today, guys. Collect a few 20 pips and then do something.
Well, gold has to come down. Our cats, because I took a sell. That's number one. Number two, I want my pattern to play out. And this I'm just trying to get on the small time frame, but in the overall, the longer time frame, I believe it would come up. But now that we're wicking, I don't know, we still got, I don't even think this is going to be a wick up. Let's see. But
I mean, this is the most uneventful candle I've ever opened that I've ever seen.
yeah.
And I don't see any indication of a clear direction. I will tell you there is a big block of orders that I have at right at the very top price. And I've been watching that block of orders and waiting for it to deteriorate, and it's not deteriorating. So to go up, we have a hurdle to get over, but to go down, there's another hurdle too. So there's zero volume going through on my side because I'm not seeing orders process. Although moving down now, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pips from that block. It's not a big block, but there are some orders sitting there. Some people do, but not me.
AJ, do you like falafel?
What?
Falafel.
What's that?
Falafel. What do you call it?
Falafel.
Falafel? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, falafel. I can hear it. I have a falafel song.
Go to sleep, son.
No, seriously, I got it.
I don't like falafel that much.
I love them. And I have a falafel song. And I have a tabbouleh song too. Do you know that?
So I didn't tell you guys today at school, I was telling my instructor about trading right before I left for school and how I was like in a trade and telling Brian, like, watch this trade. We're shorted from the top and I think it's going to go down from here. And then it dropped right before I left. And I was telling her, like, we were there talking with another lady that's probably my age. And so they were like asking all kinds of questions. And I said, I haven't taken a trade in class yet, but I've definitely watched charts. And my instructor straight up was like, hey, if you need to step out in the hall or if you need to do something, feel free to step out. And I was like, oh.
Okay.
And
you would find me out.
they both were like, so when are you going to teach us how to do this? I'm like, oh, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm qualified to teach anybody right now, for sure, but
no, Michelle, this is the time.
I started to think, they were like, before long, you're going to have the whole class trading.
Yeah, start your mentorship.
Oh, no. Like, honestly, though, it would be funny. I do think, though, if I brought in, like, I have a Surface Pro, like one of the little ones. I think if I brought it in and just set it up on my station, which nobody can really see it because we have mirrors in between all of us, I don't think my instructor would care a bit. She's
Tell
like,
them about the lounge.
How's what?
Lounge. Tell them about our YouTube channel.
I did. She said that she has a friend who trades, who just started trading. And so I showed her the lounge. You guys were on live and she like took a picture of it. She's like, oh, my friend will be all over this. And I was like, all right. I said, look, we mostly talk about gold, but people trade different things in there. Like in the conversations, people trade different stuff.
We mostly talk about trading too.
Michelle, you have to say it like this. These are the pros. They make tons of money on gold. You know, you have to market us.
Why though? Why? I don't want to, like, I don't know. I don't ever want to feel responsible for people getting involved, losing money, and being like, yeah, I wish you'd have never told me about that. Like, there's a definite price to pay to get started in this.
100%. Ask me. Dropping $100 first week.
I can't even imagine. I mean, I think the biggest I've ever done was maybe like 4 or 5 lots.
What?
Yes,
on,
I can't even imagine 100.
I've done 100, 120, 80, and that's all my first week.
I mean, that's like, okay, 100 lots is $1,000 a pip.
Yeah.
Sasha, you
And
can't say
and, yeah, and you know what? It is minus 5,000 also on 5 pip. And you just do that. It was silly. It was crazy.
Were you not panicking?
I was because I didn't even know what panicking is all about. I didn't know charts. I knew nothing about it until it happened.
Man,
It was funny.
that I just can't. I don't know. Maybe I'm there
No,
one
I made
day.
it like that. I started with $5,000. I made it within the same day $17,000. So when I was doing it right, it must be in a trend or something. It was just perfectly fine. And I started with like 5, 10, 15 lot type of thing. And then it doubled. And then the decline happened. And then again I went up and then totally down like a smasher negatives. It was so funny. And then I was crying. Now it has all passed and happened. At that time, it was out. I was crying, literally crying. What just happened?
The roadblock for going down disappeared. The roadblock for going up is still there.
Did we just run down? Test this.
Oh nope, the roadblock for going down reappeared. It's four pips from here. There's like a bulk. I say it's a bulk order. It's probably about 4 or 5 times the normal size of what's sitting in there for volume. But then below that's another one. Like it looks like maybe they're all gearing up for sells. Like it's got to sell to get below that. Price is just trapped right here in these 15 pips.
It's going down. We're going back over it. We were just first initially testing this area. And then having reaction. And sorry, wrong. Should be going down. So Mitch, how many pips in profit now?
I am in.
I'm only one position, and that's giving me $100.
I'm only 7 pips in profit. I mean, I got 2 positions, so I'm more pips, but my highest position is only 7.
I like that. New 30-minute candle. Wake up again, and now. So,
Come on, don't do this.
3 times it showed me 100. I should have collected that. I would have hit 300 now. I like that better.
Oh, that was nice to let people in.
Oh, that's why I'm
Mash it down a bit quicker, please.
Alright, let me call him right now. I'll wake Powell up. Well, I gotta wake up Bostic. That's who's talking tomorrow, so.
Yep, I like that. Keep it coming to the moving average where Mitch has his hand blocked.
That's a 2-lot position. What you got? A 2-lot A1? No, A1. We know you got like it's like a 50 lot or something.
Yeah, right. That used to be the case before I lost all my money. Like a year back. Oh, after that, I did not trade for 5 months after that stock.
You got five 10 lots open.
Your eye.
Moving in the wrong fucking direction, yo.
We have some audience, 24 people on.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Dan?
I've been sitting here listening to you guys the whole time in the background, in the shadows. I'm in these cells with you guys. I got in at the top there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But it's a boring trade, huh?
Yeah.
The price is really crapped here. It's if you look at like the 15-minute, it's just like make a bullish order block, and then it goes up, and then it makes a bearish order block, and then it goes down, and it makes a bullish order block. It's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know what it wants to do, but fucking piss me the fuck off.
It's coming, it's coming. It's just taking its time.
Yeah, but now we made another fucking order block here. Yeah, right above the other tiny one. So now our range is getting smaller and smaller.
AJ, what are you doing? You're not saying anything. What you
I told you guys what I'm doing.
You did not buy the high. Unless you're still in buys from down here. But there's no way in hell you're going to tell me that you bought when you said you bought.
He's messing.
Yeah, I absolutely know that. Ain't no way in hell that you bought on the top of this wick right here.
He's only a few pips to drawdown now.
Yep.
About to be in profit.
I'm in profit already. So.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
That's it. No, we're adding
يلا
more.
يلا حبيبي يلا حبيبي
Habibi Mafi, go up. Please come down.
لا حبيبي please go up حبيبي go up. ايوه ايوه حبيبي ايوه. Just push through that shit. Just push through that shit.
So then this is the end that we're making. This is a fucked up ass W.
Push through that shit.
AJ, people will really start buying. Stop doing this. They don't know you.
Push through that shit. What you mean?
You know what? Every time you say push, I'm gonna take another position.
Push.
And it is pushing.
Push.
Look at
Yep, the hurdle that was there just disintegrated.
Let's go, baby. Let's go,
There it
baby.
goes.
Come on.
it.
Ew, calm
Let's
down.
go, baby. Push, baby. Push, baby. Push.
Come on. That's the end of this out here.
Push, baby. Push.
Fuck it. I'm gonna take another one. Push.
You got your M being created on the 1 minute.
Let's get that fixed range indicator. Come on, give me proper money, not this dumb change.
Oh, let's go.
Just to,
I'm in profit on my highest position now.
frankly, you're yellow line.
That's a good ad there.
First,
I was too scared. That's a good idea.
I'm never scared. Why? Because I could always buy a higher position. By the time it comes down, I made so much money. Always trust your analysis.
Thanks.
Let's fucking go, yo.
I want this 1 hour to flip. Let's go. Got like 20 minutes left.
So from my highest position to yours, I'm gonna take fucking close 25% out of it.
25.
Cause I'm all the way up here. I'm cool with these. I didn't need to pay for this, so I could hold it some more.
How many lots left?
Ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go.
900.
3 positions, 3 lots open.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh,
Nice. Alright, closing. They close it.
yeah.
Oh, be great.
Let's fucking go. Keep going, yo.
Patience pays you.
Yes, it does. You know what? And it makes it even more fun with AJ baiting me to keep buying, because I'd have never took that top position just now if he did it.
AJ credit
Damn.
goes it's down twice.
Let's go.
Nice.
Just give 500 and I'm out. Little money, not like AJ making thousands at one time, right, AJ?
I didn't make anything. I didn't take any trade.
Yeah, no, I'm cool.
No, you took a buy. Don't lie now.
Yeah, I bought the high.
You bought the high.
You guys buy stops got activated at the high.
Yeah, I bought the high. Yeah, I tell you guys not to do it, but I do it myself.
Are we going back up now?
We have 2 gaps we just left in the last 2-minute candles. But hopefully those become the high gaps for a big drop.
Oh, an Asian.
Mitch, it's funny you just drew that because right here, this would be at one of the gaps.
Yeah. I'm starting to figure out what this means. This is that imbalance. These are the gaps. I don't have, this doesn't show the gaps, right? So this just shows me these gaps.
Balance when there's no order.
So these are gaps. These are the imbalances on it that need to be filled. Just like the. No, that's not what that means.
Yeah, you got it.
Well, where's one down lower?
Still nothing. We're gonna go down there.
Can you use a fixed range on a smaller?
Yeah, you can.
See, but then how come these lines don't match up?
No, but you get from a bit more previous candles. It will be exactly at the yellow line. Keep taking it back, the top one.
This one?
Yeah, keep taking it back all the way back. Yeah. I had it checked a little while ago. It was coming down. Oh,
Let's go. Let's
30-minute work.
fucking go, yo.
I would definitely secure some here. 30-minute order block.
500.
Come in, touch it.
Oh, we also just created a 30-minute order block. Bearish. Ooh, ooh. She pushing.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, yes, yes. Push it real good. I'm about to take a bite. Do 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 do.
Pros.
I gotta get rid of all this shit on my fucking thing. Hold on. See, I'm telling you, when I play around, that's when price does what it does. I just gotta play
Everyone hold the
around.
line.
Oh, look at him, man.
Yeah. When Mitch goes, fuck it, I'm gonna sell again. That's when price moves.
You ain't about to scare me. What the fuck do we make here, though? Oh. So this is a fluke. I don't like this. I don't like this one.
15-minute candle. Check out the 15-minute candle with, well, 40 minutes to go and still dropping. No bottom wick yet. That's it. I wanted to break the previous low, but it's not in the mood right now. So it's gonna go up till the go gap and then come back down.
I think I'm about to take a quick buy right here.
I gotta go run some errands, guys. Good sells.
Later.
See you guys soon.
Alright. See ya.
Hi, Daniel.
Bye-bye.
Huh? Let's go.
Yo, I'm fucking got. As soon as I said it, it left my fucking this box. I didn't get to get in.
It's gonna come to that moving average later, or I don't know now.
I would like for it to come down there now.
Mm-hmm.
Let me get in real quick. Check out the 1 hour between the two to the top. Mohammed said that, thanks guys, I learn a lot every time from the group every time.
You should like and subscribe and share the video with all your friends and tell who Mitch is with his M's and W's.
At the cash app. At the cash app, Mitch.
Cash app in the link in the bio. What is it in the description in the
We have variety here. We have cups and gaps and channels and M's and W's
Yeah,
and audible. Potpourri.
All the other stuff is bullshit, guys.
See, a new one.
And I think that's coming.
I'm fucking sleepy. I'm gonna enter bars and go to sleep.
AJ?
I'm gonna enter bars and go to sleep.
No, not like that.
I'm thinking about fucking setting buy limits and going to sleep.
Buy limit is 96. taking us down there with NFP tomorrow, or what you up to?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Well, you know where I'm gonna say.
Oh no.
2000.
He'll say 1450 and then 2000 and then.
Yes, yes, yes. We will see 2000 tomorrow, and then Friday during the big news day, we're gonna go to 1450.
I highly doubt that.
Well, but we started a war now, right? So if we start a war today, by the time Joe Biden realizes it, it'll be Friday. Price will go down exactly how I fucking predicted it.
Gold will not go down for more. It'll turn into a safe haven. It'll turn into a safe haven. Everybody's gonna be investing in it. It'll go through the roof.
That's true.
To hit 2000. See, I said it reversed.
Even more. For long term, buy when it reaches 1750 or 1680.
1630.
30. Oh yeah, that order block.
Waiting for the 4 hour. I gotta erase mine.
Check it out. Check it out. Still dropping. Make sure you buy so soon.
I didn't buy it.
So this was your M, right?
Yeah, on the small move, yeah. It just took a little bit longer to do.
On 1 hour, it did not break the low of the previous candle, and there is a nice pattern.
Now let's see how this candle prints. Then I'm getting it.
Ooh. Check it out.
HM FX Trading wants to know, Sasha, where's your target for sales?
It's gonna be. Can you go to H1, AJ? You see this? Oh, sorry, Mitch. Yeah. Just keep like that. So beautiful. I like patterns. You see these candles? Ignore the wick. Just look at the bodies. They're squeezing, and they will keep squeezing. It will break out in this direction maybe, and then keep squeezing again, and until I don't see much move, but I wanted to come down to 1806 area and 1807 since yesterday. Remember, Mitch? Oh, in your morning. It's gonna break this too. This is very dark and very pretty aligned at the bottom. What you trying to do? Why did you ignore these poor things? And Vizier. Now I like it. Gonna include that.
I was talking.
What?
Look, yeah, that was the breaker structure though. That's why I didn't include that.
No, it's gonna meet up somewhere at the top.
Sorry, I had to see where price went real quick.
It's this last 5-minute candle that's left for the
This is the completion of the W. WMW.
Where is your WMW?
It's on a 1 minute.
Oh.
Alright, show me your M's and W's on the 1 minute. I was about to tap.
No.
Y'all are gonna not agree.
I'm telling you, this was the entry right here. We're not coming
Oh,
back.
for the buy?
Yeah. We'll come back in it, but that would have been the entry. Off this here.
Where was the entry, Mitch?
This one here. Off this shit. Off here.
I would agree.
Where it
with
broke out here. And then we bounced off it here and kept riding.
This is, I honestly feel like this is a bunch of mess that none of us should be trading.
Why not? It's fun. It's each way
It's
you pick.
fun. We just got excited. Like, we just kind of moved, what, 25 pips, 30 pips?
You could rewind the stream, and I told Max when I first came on here, if I get 20 pips, I'm cool with it. I honestly didn't think price was gonna move today.
I gave you 20 pips in the morning when I was seeing
Yeah, bye, Cody.
Bye, Cody.
Tell him to call me on my phone. My phone died, so he called my son upstairs, who brought me his phone to use.
Have your volume thing back on, you know what's happening.
So, Mitch, you won't be on tomorrow night. I will be at my son's football game.
Alright, okay.
I might make it home in time.
Where are you going, Mitch?
Where am I going?
He doesn't stream. He might be on.
Yeah, I'm always on. I just don't stream.
Okay.
Tomorrow's Thursday. See, normally when it's during the year, now that the school year's back in, my daughter's gonna have dance, so she normally goes on Thursdays and Tuesdays. So that's also part reason of the schedule, because
Oh,
she has dance. So
Dance is very important.
yeah, and I take her to all her dances, her dance classes. So. Well, I don't know. She wants to do more classes, and it's causing me to do more trips to it.
Yeah. Dance classes, when they get up there, they get expensive. I mean, not so much dance, but here in Texas, oh my gosh, competitive cheer.
Yeah, she wants to do
like-
that and acro, but she's this year. She's done ballet, hip hop, jazz.
nice.
Yeah, she's been
Here,
dancing for
competitive cheer is about $20,000 to $25,000 a year.
Yeah, that's.
And-
I told her I'm down to go. If she does it, I'll pay it. She just needs to stick with it.
I have a friend who is like, well, this is going to get my daughter a scholarship. And I'm like, by the time you're done paying for all this cheer, you could have paid for her college.
Yeah, nah. I mean, it's just an experience. I ain't never get to travel and have no, you know. So if she wants to do it, she can really do it, you know. But she has to do it.
Sweet daddy. I like daddies like that.
She's your oldest, right?
Yes.
New hour.
And we're trying to get my 2-year-old in the dance too. But I don't know if they have the classes for her yet.
Michelle,
Yes.
did you used to do the same what my mom used to do with the children?
What was that?
If she's cold, she'll make sure that we're all wearing our socks and jackets.
No. I'm a different
She's
kind of
warm.
mom.
Yeah, and if my mom is hungry and she thinks we're hungry, we have to eat. We're like, Mommy, we're not hungry because we couldn't tell and speak much at that time. Like, Mom, that's torture. Why did you do that?
No, I am a totally different kind of mom. Like my son, okay, my youngest, he went to hang out with these friends one time, and I just had met the mom briefly, but my son went over there to hang out, and he ended up staying at their house for a couple of days. I mean, they don't live far from us, like a couple streets, but I didn't call to check on my son or anything. And the mom, like, we didn't know each other very well. She ended up becoming one of my best friends, but she thought I was a terrible mother. She's like, who just lets their kid go days and doesn't even check in on them? But he's like my fourth child. And I'm like, he knows if he needs something, he'll let me know. And so she caters to her kids. Like, and as their kids were teenagers, she'd even set out their clothes for them. And I'm like, no, like my kids do their own laundry. Like, no, I'm just don't do all of that. And so when her kids came to my house to visit, they were here for a while, and she came to pick them up, and she said, she asked me, did they have lunch? And I was like, I don't know. So our boys were twins. They're identical twins. So I called the boys in and my son, and I said, look, guys, if you're at my house hanging out with Mason, like, if you're hungry, you have to tell Mason. He will make you something to eat. He'll make you a sandwich. Like, he will feed you. But I'm not going to just be like, it's lunchtime, guys, here's your food. Like, I don't cook, I don't make food. Like, it's not my thing. I know it's terrible, but it's not my thing. I'm a great mom in a lot of aspects, but I'm not like a hovering mom. I'm a let me know if you need something. Other than that, figure it out. Like, you got it.
I gotta tell my mom my friends are coming over or something. She'll make sure 2 days before that everything's filled up and she's prepared.
Oh, not me. Not me. In fact, we'll have friends, like the kids will come over in the summer or whatever. Brian will be like, do we have to feed everybody? Like, it's funny because we don't, like, our house, we don't have like junk food. We don't have chips. We don't have Cokes. Everybody in my house drinks water. Like, we don't have snack food. So, like, if you're hungry, like, we're making something to eat, which is fine. But, you know, most of the time you have, like, people have snack stuff for kids. We don't do that.
We don't. I don't do a lot of drinks. I mean, myself. My mom and dad, they have tea. I don't have tea. My brother loves Coke and all sort of those things. Red Bull, this and that. I'm not into that. I'm just loving water.
Yeah, I drink lemon water every day, like all day long.
My friends used to get so surprised that I studied all night and I don't need to have tea or coffee to stay awake to study for the exams and this and that. Like, no.
Well, this morning when I was really tired and thinking I was going to need coffee, Brian made me a green tea. If I drink coffee and I don't keep drinking it, I get really bad headaches. But green tea doesn't do that.
I don't even drink green tea. All these hot drinks.
No, I drink green tea cold on ice.
Yeah, but the tea itself, what's that? Which is that you?
Yeah, it is. I'm just taking a picture of something that I want to look at.
Are you taking a screenshot?
Yeah.
Good, you told me.
All right, let's go to 1830.
You done, Mitch?
Whoa, with a screen? Oh, yeah.
You know what I was about to do? When you drew this and when you drew this, then I was about to draw it like that.
I knew it.
No, like a rubber glass. Dirty mind people, stop it.
That's actually a chart pattern.
Yeah, it is. Look. So I bet you there's an indicator for it, too.
Eyeglasses. Chart pattern. All right, I'm about to go to bed.
Alright. Have a good night.
Gold was disappointing. Well, I mean, it's fine, but
I'm cool with it. I got subs.
I didn't take a loss. I made some, so
I held drawdown. If you don't close, you don't lose.
I think, what is it, Wednesday? The last 2 days I've taken a loss in Asia and then had to make it back. So at least I'm not taking a loss today.
Okay, that's it then. Keep it like that so that you can listen.
So, yeah. How many people are watching?
20?
How do I link? How does this? I have the thing on my phone. How do I link that shit? Does anyone know
What?
how to link this to the app on my phone?
Oh yeah, you can do that. Let me find that option.
Because I'm just trying a theory out real quick.
Send email. No. On this one, no, your MT4 can give you directly on the phone. That's right.
Oh, maybe I could do it through my MT5. I didn't think about that.
I think that's right. I'm off too, guys. I'm sleepy, and I'm gonna take some sleep and wake up in London. London now.
Later. Have a good night.
Night, night. Bye, bye.
If you install and change using an alert. Oh, okay. Hopefully, we're gonna run this a little bit longer. I want to see what we do inside this now that we tapped it again. I'm in on this candle. It's 46. It's my position, so.
I found a channel.
You found a channel?
Look on the 5 minute.
I am on a 5 minute.
Zoom out. Sorry. I noticed this trend line. Actually make it taller. There you go. That'll work.
So here?
Yep.
So we're supposed to bounce off of this?
Well,
Or
it's
down
an upward
this?
channel which should break down, but it should come back to the 50% minimum before it goes back down. Before it goes down to break out. It should. It could come and touch that bottom line too. One more time or even a couple more times. Like, see how it did over here?
So I scale in and take another position, and it's and it stalls. Have a good one, anyone. I'm waiting for about probably 10 more minutes and then I'm off. I want to see how these buys play out. What the hell happened to this candle? Just froze. And it tracks how much volume there is. We stop. Alright, everyone. I'm off for the night. Price is doing nothing.
See you later, Mitch. I know I already said I was getting off, but I'm about to also. It's still 9:30 for me.
Yeah. No, it's 10:30 and there's nothing happening. So I'll see you guys
Thanks,
tomorrow. Later.
Thanks, Mitch. See you, mate.
You're gonna make Sasha host.
I was just gonna shut it down. I mean, I can.
Just make me host. I'll leave it up.
All right.
That way, if anybody wants to talk, they can.
All right.
How are you, Michelle?
I'm okay. I was really tired earlier, and I took a nap. And now I know, like, I should go to bed, but I'm not that tired yet.
You're incredible. I don't know how you do
Steve,
it.
how are you? You sound better.